is Crystal. We can double check with Cami. Depends on when.
Yeah, okay.
Or you know what, I might actually have that.
Yeah, we got the train there.
It is. It's only one body, one car.
One car,
And
yeah,
many
but still,
pictures.
It's hard to
drawn.
see there, but
Welcome,
he's
Romeo.
disappearing behind the tree. We're waiting for the traffic light here. It's turned green so we can go. All right. Heading up to the castle here today, this afternoon. This is the post office here.
Run by Japanese government, but now it's a privately owned company.
Ah, it's
Yeah.
privately owned now.
Yeah.
It used to be owned by the Japanese government. Getting a little light drizzle here, but that's where we're going, up there. We're down here now. We got to walk all the way to get up there. Once we get inside, we'll be out of the rain then. Okay. Well, as you may have guessed, in order to get up there, we got to go up this steep hill here. So climbing up the hill here. What goes up must come down, so it's going to be coming down later on a little bit easier, I hope. Well, we have to turn the corner, and we came around to another one, another hill that we got to climb. Picking them up, putting them down here. Okay. Well, a little bit closer here. We gotta work our way up there somehow or other. So we go down here. Okay.
There are a lot of people's name. Okay, this is a company's name.
Oh, these are
The companies who paid,
yeah.
who donated to build this castle, they paid more than 1 million
These
Japanese
guys
yen.
here.
And individual people are written here. Individuals' names are here.
Okay.
These guys are working on here, or working on the side of the
これは
mountain,
13万円、13億円かかってます、全部
cutting
で。
down
費
trees
用
up
が5
there.
億円集まりました。
1,300,000 Japanese
This guy
yen.
down here in the moat,
1
he's like
billion
already
Japanese,
sunk.
1 billion.
These are the guys that are falling in here. Look at that. They're like, yeah, whoa, this guy's down here.
木造の木です、全部。
They're shooting down logs at him
All
here.
the wood, the materials were
This is where they're fighting. They got a little thing there.
Buy the wood.
The guy directing up there, the general. That's right. These guys are doing. Look at these guys here. This is steep. That's steep. Steep stairs. So it's like going almost vertical there. Going up. Right up there. All right. Here we got thing here. See the guy. Please walk on the left side. Okay. Well, we're not up to the top yet, but the steps are getting super steep steps. Come inside here. We got another set of steps here. We thought that was the last ones. Oh no, more ones going up here. But this is all new. This was built in 2004, rebuilt from the old one. That's why everything's nice and flat here and no creaky floors. No more than 10 people. Okay. Oh, we're up at, I think, the top level. Maybe not. We got these little slats in the windows, so you can't see much out there. Now, this is the other side here. But you get a good view in case anybody's trying to conquer you. You go outside, take a good look out there. Yeah. Come out the side here. Oh, there's the river. There's the river down there. Yeah, some other hills. There's a house way up on that hill over there. Right up there, so even higher than this one here. Yeah. All right. I think this is the top level. Yeah. Little view here. Starting to rain out there. You can see the raindrops coming down. So maybe it's good that we're inside. Little thing to break the water So the flow will give it air rating, I guess there. I don't know, but yeah.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. And one last one out here.
城の上には両方にあります。
Most castle has this fish figure on the top of the roof at both sides.
Threatening off
で
lightning.
これは魚の形してますよね。
I wonder if
Right.
they function as
Yeah.
like lightning rods.
これ口を開けとるでしょ。
Right.
これはお城のお守りです。
But see, this is the tail and the mouth is open, and this is a protecting castle.
火事がいったらですね、ここから水を吐き出すという意味があって、
In
こう口開
case
けとるんで
if
す。
the castle catches fire, then his open mouth he throws water to seal the fire.
だから雷が落ちたりです。高いですから、落ちた時に火事がいくんですよね。
Because this is very high and maybe easy to catch the thunder, right? And then in that case, this building can cause a fire. So in that case, this can throw water.
こういうお城の上にはみんな社長部はこういうものが乗っとるということで、こうね。
This is just a superstition.
Ah,
Okay, because the fish is always inside the water.
okay.
So in case if building catches a fire, it can be seized fire easily. That's why they put fish on the top. But of course there is no way to get water.
Right.
Okay?
I thought that's what I said. That's pretty smart. They have the water in
Water,
there.
no, it's an imaginary thing.
These are our stairs going down, and look at those stairs. They're like vertical stairs here, almost coming up here. Going down. Okay, I'm up at the top of that castle. I'm up at the very top here. Like I said, you saw the stairs. We looked out the windows here and everything here. You know, we come over here by the light. I'm right here standing by the window. I'm looking outside here, as you can see there. So, yeah, all right. And what more can I say? This was rebuilt in 2004, so everything, all the wood is really in nice, good shape. The floors are all perfectly flat. There's a little more safety stuff in here in case of fire and everything. All the banisters and steps, albeit very, very steep, are in good shape then too. So, and I think the rain stopped outside there. I don't see any more puddles on the roof, any more raindrops. So yeah, there we go. I look outside again. So yeah, there's the town. Rice paddies are out there, and might be a school over there down at the bottom there. I don't know. We'll see here. Okay, but yeah, walking around here on the top, coming down here. We're going to go back down here in a few seconds here. All right. Take a little rest. A little bit cool up here because you get a little bit of a breeze, so it's not too bad. All right. Well, this is the next level down. Like I said, everything's new. All the wood is in new shape because it was in bad disrepair from hundreds and hundreds of years ago, so it's falling apart. So the town got together, donated lots of money, got a lot of sponsors, and rebuilt it to the original specs, but using, you know, better wood and everything. It's nice and smooth here when you walk on it. And you can look outside here and everything too. We're just one level lower than we were up there. We still got the steep steps coming down, all these big beams. At least I can walk under these. I don't have to duck. See, my head is here. I don't have to duck under these. There's plenty of room. So nice and high. So we got little things here, I guess, you know, if we want to shoot some arrows out there, or little cubby in there. But it looks very nice. You got your sliding things here that if you need to close off the window, you can slide this over here. And we got the fire system here, standpipe and hoses if it ever catches on fire. We got this other set of steep steps going down there that we have to traverse. And same thing over on this side. kind of the same little cubby holes and everything. And this was not meant to live in. This was like a statement that you were rich and powerful and you built this big place. And also you could use it kind of like a fortress and have guys up here, the samurai shooting arrows and stuff outside of here if need be, and all the room for all their equipment that they could bring up inside of here. So yeah, we want to go down here one more, but nice and woody, very much wood, very smooth. You got to watch your step with your socks on here. And there's our other steps going down there, so yeah, I gotta watch it there. Okay. And now, of course, for the next level down, we're getting down closer to the ground. Pretty much looks the same. It's the same thing on all the levels here. You got your little cubby holes there, your places around here. You can look outside. There's that stream as we're getting closer to it now. And a little diagram on the wall, all written in Japanese, but maybe this is from days of old, and everything up here. Now, I'll give you some links at the bottom in the description, excuse me, that you can see. And all these different things here. Gee whiz. This one here, Japanese. Well, you got a lot of Japanese visitors here, of course. So maybe we're some of the few American visitors that come in here. I don't know. But yeah, we're getting down close to the ground here. Yeah, more stuff here. Another little cubby there. And yeah. And that, you can see the other part of the other tower right over there. That had a little walkway outside there. I don't think we can use that anymore for a tourist, but gives you a good view there. Okay, we come back in here, and that's where we're at.
The jail is here, and this was the jail. It's built near this castle.
Oh, that was for a jail?
Jail, yes, it said.
これはね、韓国の韓という字がこれが彫ってあるんです。
はい、
これ。
it's a 韓国だか
で
ら。
ここは昔は江戸時代から
That
明治
building, I remember
頃に
seeing
なったらここ
outside
で
when we were outside. It was like a jail.
韓国として人を入れてここで
Here overnight, this is the room where you sleep. They bring out the tatami mats and the futons and close off these panels here that move. And yeah, come back over here and you're outside. So you don't have to climb too far if you're going to stay overnight. And that's where we came in, out there, I think. Yeah, that's the exit. And I'm going to look around here a little bit more before I head out. See what they got here in the displays. Oh, an old rifle. Oh, boy, that's an old one there. Not much to it. Old gun there. Yeah, it's all in Japanese though, so. Okay. Well, this is about when they were building the place. They got all these guys up here working on it here. Scaffolding all tied together with ropes and everything, not modern scaffolding. Bringing up these heavy stones, a guy on there say, hiya, hiya. Everybody pulling up. Got the guys, got the cheerleader guy here trying to tell them. Guys with the plans here. More things trying to pound stuff or something over there. Guys mixing mortar down here. Ladders going up. More guys chopping, putting the beams together. You got this horse here. Yeah, chopping up the rocks. Ah, this is how the roof was made. Look at this. All this stuff inside, like almost like insulation or something in there. Yeah, it's hard to tell. And you got this type of stuff here. And they got this other wood. Then they got these, which look like ceramic. Yeah, ceramic type shakes here that are, I don't know how they did this. They must be molded because they're grooved. They got all these features, little buttons and little things in there. So they must be cast in there. And then the other ones to cover it up. So that's a very involved process. Probably lots and lots of weight on there. It's all in Japanese, so I can't explain it to you that well. But yeah, that's a job and a half on that roof there. Look at that. And all that stuff in there. Yeah, little holes for aeration in there maybe. All these beams, lots of wood there involved there, that's for sure. Okay, we're almost on the way out here. Almost back down to sea level here. All right. Okay, been in there, went all the way up to the top. As we came down, remember I showed you this other building, or maybe that one. I think it was that one, since it had the walkway outside. So now we're heading back down, and it's downhill here all the way. So let gravity do the work for me here. Well, while we have a minute here, let me put my glasses back on so I can see what I'm doing. Let's take a look at this nice bus that we're in. Look at this stuff here that's covered up. Isn't that beautiful? You got here, they got some bling up there. You got little tassels on the windows and everything. And you got this really blinged out. So you got nice doilies on the top for your head. Very clean doilies too. And they're not falling apart. You got your tray tables here, and nicely upholstered here, and everything feels so smooth. Everything. Walls are nice. That's nice. Kind of like velvet curtains. These are velvet. Look at that. Feel that velvet curtains here. So this is the bling bus.